So, as we are talking about the machine learning and deep learning, let us explore some of the differences between the machine learning and deep learning. So, as you see from the graph here, basically the artificial intelligence is the overall umbrella under which the machine learning and deep learning gets covered, where we can say machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So very clear that deep learning uh, is completely different from machine learning, and it basically is a subset. So what are the major differences between them? Let us talk through. So machine learning or deep learning, both basically are computer programs, right? They're just algorithms, right? Which sees the data, mm, tries to read the data and identify the data, right? That's the simple thing we can say. So both are computer programs, but deep learning has more complexity than the machine learning. So, why we are saying complex, we will see. So, what happens is in machine learning, we use a few data points where the computer program tries to read those data points and come to conclusions. Deep learning uses a huge data set, means we know it requires more processing capability than the machine learning. So deep learning uses huge data sets which are used to train. Okay, and then this machine learning, as it uses minimal, like not minimal, but at least sufficient data sets to identify the data, it takes a lesser time to process them. Whereas deep learning takes lot of time for the data training to happen. Now, considering that we have huge sets of data for the deep learning, there is a lot of complexity involved, and also deep learning uses several layers of neuron kind of structures, like we can say that those are basically algorithms, those layers are algorithms, so which need to be processed one after the another, and which involves a lot of complexity, definitely, because the data sets are also high, the complexity of algorithm is high. That means a normal CPU may not be able to handle that much processing capability. There might be a separate GPU required. Like if you see, generally when we take the games or graphics kind of environment, we require a separate GPU for that, right? A sophisticated GPU where it can handle the things. Correct. Similarly, for deep learning, we require a separate GPU. Whereas machine learning algorithms, we can handle using a normal processor, and a simple CPU must be enough. So that's one major difference from the hardware perspective. And one more important point is deep learning uses artificial neural networks, which in short form is called ANN, which we hear a lot. So, this artificial neural network involves complex algorithms in the background over layers, where the data sets are read and then classified. So, these are the major differences at a very, very high level. So we will dig deeper as we go through and talk more about this. Thank you.